This is Cerelis North, a two-story house in Liloan, Cebu. It's worth 9 million pesos. This is the living area.
Ma'am, pili sa square meter, ma'am, ay. Ma'am Eileen, pili sa square meter.
120 square
This
meter.
is
120.
the kitchen and a little space outside.
Ito, nakita ninyo tanan sa picture. O, si Sir Roy kani. Kay apit na tanan. Kay fully furnished man ang nakabutang.
This
Ako
is
sa GC ninyo, sa GC Sir.
a single room downstairs. There is one toilet and shower.
Pwede na ninyo i-coordinate si Sir Roy or kung hindi atong sa office.
Take a look upstairs. This is the master's bedroom. Liluan din ni siya, oy. Liluan man din ni dire. Usab hinoon ko. Master's bedroom and a view downstairs with a little terrace. And the master's bedroom has one toilet and shower. And there's also a toilet, second toilet, outside and shower. Another bedroom. And the third bedroom. Thank you guys for watching. Inquire me for more details. Thank you.